The real secret behind all manifestation in this world is focus. Wherever you are focusing on, energy flows. And if you can focus on a specific thing, that will start to manifest in your life. And in today's world, most of the people cannot focus on one thing at a time. Even if they are focusing on negative things, so they are constantly manifesting negative situations and circumstances in their life. The law of your subconscious is whatever you are focusing on will get expands. So, if you want manifest money, continuously focus on a particular field for an extended period of time. If you can do that, the universe will open its doors for you. That is the law of the universe. When you focus on something in your mind, your subconscious will interpret that as real. So when you focus on lack, your subconscious will create more and more lack in your life. And if you are focusing on abundance, your subconscious beliefs that you are living in abundance, and your subconscious will create more and more situations, circumstances, and opportunities to create abundance in your life. And your focus is the door towards your subconscious mind. If you can direct your focus on a specific outcome, that will start to manifest in your life. So make sure you are investing your attention on the thing that you want to manifest in your life, and say no to any other things that you don't want to manifest in your life. And if you want to manifest something, after you start a particular journey, if you are shifting your direction so often, it will never come to pass. If you truly want to manifest a particular outcome, you have to become one-pointed. You have to develop unwavering focus until you reach that particular destination. When you start focus on something, your very consciousness will start to build in that direction, which means whatever you are focusing on will become your new life experience. And you should have the courage to say no to distractions, because nowadays the biggest distraction people are facing is their own gadgets. Whenever you get a new notification, that's enough to get distracted. So whenever you get distracted, you should understand that you are wasting your time. Because wherever you are focusing on, your energy flows. And wherever your energy flows, that is what starts to manifest in your life. So if you want to truly change your life, stay focused on what you want. Because life is 100% your responsibility. The news you're watching is programmed to take away your focus. Then only the higher authority can control you. So if you truly want to live your dream life, handle your energy like you are handling money, will you invest your money on anything that will not give you returns? So you have to treat your focus in that manner, which means don't invest your energy on anything that you don't want to manifest in your life, like money. When you start to doing this, your life will start to shift according to your will. Now let's see what Sadhguru is saying about your focus according to Sadhguru. When you are trying to do something to get a particular result, it is not about what you're doing. It is just that you're doing it in an unwavering way. Every day you are off and on. It doesn't happen. You have to just unwavering. You have to become unpointed. It doesn't matter what it is. If you want to be a butcher in an unwavering way, it will open up. Just not wavering for a moment. What you have decided in a moment of clarity and joy, just sticking on to it without wavering a little bit, nobody can deny it to you. Every day when your thoughts and emotions fly this way and that way, you keep changing your mind, you will go in circles. When you are doing Surya Namaskar, you are not doing it to build muscle. If you have to know the energy, right now it's concentrated in the form of this body. Only if you use it in a certain way, it'll crackle. Otherwise, it'll sit like a lump of earth. If this has to sit here and crackle, then it has to be kept in a certain way. So, if your energies can crackle and your mind is focused, your consciousness will just build in that direction. Because the mind is shifting focus, it does not know which way to build. The very life within you is confused. It doesn't know which way to go. I would say at least 95% of the human energy is wasted, because most human beings cannot hold anything in their focus for any substantial amount of time. Otherwise, each of them would be opening up a new window, a new door to something else. 7 billion people, if they had all had their minds and consciousness focused, everything, just everything have to yield. Nothing would be unexplored. That's what Sadhguru is teaching about your focus, okay? Here, I'm concluding this video. See you on next video. Thank you.